Hey, how's it going? Going to give you an update of our side-by-side grow that we have going on. It's very interesting how it's been turning out, to be honest with you. So here we go. Here's a side-by-side view of what we've been doing. So first we have here the living soil pot. See, it's getting sunlight at this time of day. Outside right now it is seriously cold. We're talking 5 below Fahrenheit, and that's the high today. Well, what do you expect for the middle of January in Minnesota? So this is a living soil pot, pulled in from the garage, thawed it out, hydrated it, planted cover crop. Grimey Bubblegum by Nancy's Own is what we're growing. In a previous video I had shown that seeds had sprouted and we planted them. However, it's kind of like, where are they? They haven't come up yet from what I can tell. Cover crop is doing well. Got some good mulch on top, and the living soil blend that's inside, it's a Coots recipe. Clackamas Coot, if you've not heard of him. He's a guy who kind of originated the living soil blend, which is basically worm castings, peat moss, pumice, and then you add minerals and fertilizers to that. So we'll see how this turns out, but as you can see, we're getting some sun, which is always beautiful in the middle of winter. It's not cloudy today. We'll just keep our beady eyes peeled on this one. So up here on the countertop we have our tabletop hydroponics grow. As you can see, surprising difference. Seeds in here hit the water the same time that the seeds in the living soil. Now you'll notice that we have a couple stubby looking things in here. Reason why is because when the roots came out on these seeds, they were actually upside down, so it was the root coming out the top. So what I had to do is I had to take and actually split it down the side with a knife and replant it upside down. They sprouted upside down, but as you can see, they're doing quite well at this point. So far, tabletop hydroponics is really moving along quite nicely compared to the living soil. We'll see how it ends up. Supposedly these will take 75 days from when they come out of the seed to when you can harvest. Pop to chop is what they say. 75 days. So we'll see. A couple months. We'll keep track of what's going on.